Hi everyone, welcome to the greenhouse. Now I haven't quite given you guys a tour around the greenhouse and show you how we designed it and actually the materials that we used to make it, but I will do that in the late spring, early summer when we don't have so much snow outside and I can go around the building. But right now I'm just showing you guys what I've been up to here. It was quite a mess, so I just spent some time to clean up and to start setting up my seed trays. I don't have anything in here yet. I was just waiting for the weather to warm up because um, I don't have heat in here. And so I brought in a little space heater here. Now it's warm enough. So if I put plants in here, the space heater will be good enough to go when it drops to 0 or in the minus range during the springtime. And so, yeah, that's it, guys. I have a whole bunch of seeds over here, and actually I have some more in the inside the house that I need to bring in, but that's it. And I have a loft space. This is the stairs to the loft. I'll see if I can take you up there and show you a little of what's going on up there. Now I have this handle here, and there's one over the other side. We put them on just for safety so that when we're going up and down the ladder, we can grab hold of them so that we don't fall. But yeah, this is it. Now check this out. I'm trying my best to lock these mice out of the greenhouse. So far I haven't been successful, and I think it's because the ceiling is not complete. So I think they're finding their way in around the top of the building. So I actually will be doing some work this summer just to try to lock them out because we have a bed up here. Yeah, we have a little bed up here, and I actually made the bed from the platform of a 3-seater couch that we were gonna throw out. I figure I'll just use the base. I'll show you guys a little more when I do a detailed tour. But yeah, and I'm using the cushions for the bed. But that's it. It's a pretty cool loft space. And that's a rail to stop me from falling off the bed when I'm on the loft. And I'm coming back down. But that's it. Yeah, I should show you guys. Check this out. When I'm up here, I have windows over there actually that I can see into the southern end of the veggie garden. In front of me there is the western view, and I get lovely sunsets from up here. So that's pretty cool. This is north, and then around here is east. Now this is downstairs. Just position my feet here on this ladder, and then I'll show you up here the view I have of the forest, where I can see birds flying, sometimes going and coming, pecking at the seeds on the tree. And this is the eastern view into our neighbor's forest. And I have this little bar here that I will be hanging plants on. But as I said, I'll give you guys a more detailed tour and tell you some of the materials that we use to accomplish this greenhouse, because it doesn't have to take a fortune for you to build a cozy little space on your property if you have enough space to build, that is. So yeah, that's my greenhouse, y'all. Let me take you to the front and show you what it looks like just a little bit. Listen to the chime. See this little feature here? I went to Florida when my mom wasn't feeling well, and I went to help both her and my dad. I spent over a month there with them, and my dad had this in the backyard. I was gonna throw it out, and I decided I want to take it with me. take it back to Canada. And so I bent it right here into two so it could fit in the suitcase. And I took it back, and now it has a place on my door. And that's my chime there that's making all those lovely sounds. I have a little one here, but it doesn't make much sound. But yeah, that's it, my friends. That's the greenhouse. And I promise you, I'll give you a more detailed tour and tell you about the materials that we used to build it and how we designed it. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment.